Okay, so today we have another unboxing. I'm really excited about these shoes. We have some shoes from Puma here. Today I'll be unboxing the Puma R698. I think I got the name right. And it's from Amazon. So let's get this done. Of course, you see the logo on this box. It's the Amazon store that I got this from was Chewbacca. Where's the logo? Chewbacca. You know, I guess these people were some serious Star Wars fans. Let's get that box out of the way. Let's get this over here. Alright, so traditional green box. Well, you know, most Puma shoes will come in a red or a green box. So as I said before, we'll be unboxing the Puma R698, and the color, well, it's R698 Bright, and the color is royal blue. Okay, so let's see what these things look like. But before, of course, it's a size 12 US. Under the box you have, you know, the sizing information, the conversion information, and of course a reference key for the different Puma logos that are used on their branded products. So let's see what this thing looks like. Alright, so already I can see a bit of the blue shining through. I mean, I guess it's really bright through this thing here. Alright, yes. Alright, so it's really royal blue. It's a rich royal blue. Let me just get them out of the box. Alright. Ooh. Now this is a lot to look at. This is a really rich blue. Let me just turn this around so you can get a 360 before I do anything else. Alright. So, as I said, it's royal blue, the Puma R698, and it sits on a white base. Right? A white canvas. And I'm seeing, well, yes, I am seeing what seems to be a hint of silver, like it's sprayed. Let me see if it's on the other side. Yes, it is on the other side. So there's some silver here, a silver mist of sorts, right? Just on the heel, and I'm seeing the Trinomic, the Puma Trinomic logo. And you know, if Trinomic is on, or Trinomic, whatever it is, if it's on a shoe, then more than likely, yes, it has the Puma cell technology here. And it's really soft. I don't know if you can see it. It's really soft here. And if you look closely enough, you'll be able to see the Trinomic logo right here. And the base, well, this is I don't know if I can call this a mustard yellow or some sort of green, but it's a nice colored base. And let's see if it's on the other shoe as well. Yes, the silver mist is here as well. No Trinomic logo on the inside of the base, but it's on the outside as well. And if you look, you'll realize that I thought this was suede when I saw it, but this is almost like a wool. I don't know if you can see the texture there, but it's almost like a woolly kind of fabric. You know, I don't know if you can hear those sounds, but it's like a wool kind of fabric. Let me get the laces out of the way. So you'll see the Puma logo here. This is the Puma logo. And going around, there's no logo here. And on the inside here, let's lift the tongue up a bit. Okay, yes, so you see the Puma logo right here as well, and it says Trinomic. So yes, it is a kind of wool fabric. So it says Trinomic there, and of course, yes, the Puma logo on the heel. So looking at the base, nice base. It sits really high up. This looks like about 1.5 inches, you know, almost 2 inches. You see these grooves right here. On the inside though, sizing information there. And let me get this thing out. Hold on. Let me see. Sometimes the sole is removable. I want to see if the sole of this is, wait, no, probably isn't. It probably isn't. Whoa. Let me try this other one. Oh, it is. Just wasn't holding it though. Great. So this is the sole. Seems really thick and plush. So of course you know that you'll get a lot of comfort and dampening when you have these shoes on. So they're fashion sneakers, they're not running sneakers, they're street sneakers. Let me get this back in. But they're street sneakers, but as you can see, they're very light, and I really like the design. I like the angling coming over to the front, so it arches forward, if you can see right here. So that completes my unboxing of the PUMA R698 Bright in royal blue, and thanks for watching.